Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cam Legend. I hope all is well. And in this video, I'm going to be speaking about Monday, which is the day of the moon, which is easy to decipher as well. And what I do on Mondays. So, Monday is my day of rest. And I've been doing this for maybe over 2-3 years now. I'll take a rest on a Monday. The reason why I do this is because I know metaphysically people work on this Monday. And I'm somebody who likes to reverse the polarity on energy. And instead of pushing, I'm pulling. And pulling is symbolic for the moon, because the moon holds the magnetism. And a quick and easy way to know and associate anything with the moon is if the word starts with M-O or M-A. Ma, ma, mother, ma'am, majesty, magic, magician, magnesium, Mary, material world. Everything is based on the moon. The moon is very important. As much as the sun is important, the moon is equally, if not more important, because it runs this simulation through other planets like Saturn. So, what do I do on Mondays? Usually on a Monday, I'm taking rest. And this rest will still have me picking up a pen and pad, maybe journaling and planning out my week. I'll go to the beach. I would have a salt bath to reset my energy and spiritually cleanse myself. And this salt bath will be in the beach, natural remedy. And this is even more symbolic and powerful because the moon controls the tides and the ebb and flow of the waves. No better way to connect with the moon. And the moon is a feminine energy. As you know, many women like to be aligned with the moon, the menstrual cycle, things of this nature. And as a man, you still need to be in tune with the moon because we came out from the womb. And I've already spoken about gender, masculinity, and femininity, and how you need to have balanced energy of both. I'm not telling you to be, only somebody who's been a victim of their feminine energy would feel some type of way about the moon. Real ones know you need to balance femininity and masculinity, and it has nothing to do with being a female and being a male, because we both have these energies inside of us anyway. So I balance these energies by keeping in tune with the moon and doing these kind of things and going to the beach, relaxing, being with the family, being receptive, and things in this nature. And even 2-3 years ago, I was working, but most days I had Mondays off because of the school system in Thailand. Thailand has a lot of bank holidays. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot. So I've been very blessed, even when I was working a job. What else do I do? I use Monday for manifestations. I journal what I want to do. I do psychic work, which would be just allowing me to receive thoughts and intuitive flashes. I devote this day to my wife because she knows I work a lot, and there has to be one dedicated day to her and having my attention. I still focus on self-care and under the principles of the moon. I do what makes me feel good. So sometimes I go for a spa session, get a massage. And to be fair, these were things I used to do all the time. I used to always go for a spa, always relaxing, always getting a massage, always. But for the last year, with the lockdown and everything, I've been kind of homebound and just banging out the work from home. On Mondays, I try to not use social media as much. I do this anyway. I put my phone in airplane mode and I'll turn on my phone once I've done or finished work. But especially on Mondays, I'll have my phone off maybe 3, 4, 5 hours of the day, and I'll get back to DMs or emails later on. And I'm manipulating time and space by doing this as well, because you'll see that there's a lot more stuff waiting for you. I don't know if this is just an illusion or it's actually manipulation of time, space, and matter. Probably both. But I noticed that when you create space, it allows things to come back to you. And this is the push and pull of energy. And there's no better way to do it than be in sync with the moon and the actual days that it corresponds to. What else? I make sure that I'm getting a lot of water in. Right now is a full moon actually, so this is a great time to make sure you're hydrated, but I do this anyway. And the color of the moon is silver. So silver is known for clarity, purification, illumination, and things of this nature. So you make sure you're getting your water in, make sure you're getting your H2O in. I'll make sure maybe I'll do spiritual work. For me, that would just be grounding, because I'm somebody who's rarely in the headspace of the fourth dimension anyway. I'm a dreamer. I use my imagination a lot as a Pisces anyway, which is kind of linked in with the moon anyway, because you have Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, and these are water signs, and water is symbolic for the moon. So for me, I don't really need to do spiritual work. I just need to do grounding work. My goals in life is to ground my dreams. And this may not be possible to do, or it may not be possible to ground all my dreams, but I make sure I try my best in this physical vessel. So for me, a lot of my energy is about receiving these intuitions, receiving these flashes of creativity and spontaneity, and grounding them. If you're somebody who relates, who has a lot of ideas, just journal them, because some of these ideas are not even supposed to be for now. Some ideas are never supposed to be implemented. Some ideas are just supposed to be an idea. But you never know, these ideas may manifest into something greater. It may be an idea for a subdivided or partitioned part of your business or endeavor. So yeah, on this day, try to rest. Try not to work too tough. Try to just be receptive more than anything. Try not to deep anything. Try to just allow. Don't let the ego try to take control of this Monday too tough. Because if you're not careful, your left brain will try and take over, because that's all the left brain knows. But let's not demonize aspects of self. And with that being said, peace, like, comment, share, subscribe.